creative writing. How to write on a given topic. Writing the topic. The assigned topic should be written in 3 parts. The introduction, next comes the body, that's the main paragraph in the essay, and finally the conclusion. Create the topic in mind. The first thing, the writer should think of all the ideas to be written and gather them in mind. Next comes creating mind maps. Now the gathered ideas should be written and shown in mind maps for the writer to be able to create paragraphs in 3 parts. Writing the topic. The topic created in mind should be written in clear format and in 3 parts, which should contain the introduction, next comes the body, and finally the conclusion. Read the written topic. The written topic should be read and checked for errors. The topic should be read with correct punctuations, tone and pronunciation. Read confidently. It's time to be proud. Time to put everything in action. Be confident. Have a positive attitude. Just perform or read like a good writer and speaker. Remember, the topic was created and written by you. So read aloud confidently. You will feel proud of yourself. Thanks for watching and listening. This was fully created and edited by me. I like to make things easy and simple and fun for children. God bless you, my dear children.